When can a guarantor be removed from a loan? This isn't an automatic right, and it doesn't necessarily align when the borrower has repaid 20% of the value of the property, which is usually the circumstances in which a guarantor would be required to offset the requirement to use lender's mortgage insurance. The bank still needs to be satisfied that the borrower can continue making those repayments. For example, if they weren't paying on time or they weren't able to pay the full amount when it was due, then the bank may not release the guarantor even when there's sufficient equity in the property. Sometimes the guarantor will be required for the life of the loan, where the guarantor is not able to financially make the repayments of the mortgage, but they are an owner of the property, and the bank needs to make sure that they can enforce their rights under the mortgage should the borrower not repay the outstanding amount. Even where a property is sold and it's owned by the borrower, we have had circumstances where the guarantor's property has not been released, and that's not found out till a later date when we determine that the mortgage should have been removed at an earlier date when the borrower's property was sold.